In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your MessageMedia account to Zoho Campaigns. First, navigate to Sinch MessageMedia Hub and log into your MessageMedia Hub account. Once you're in, click on Settings from the left-hand side, then go into API Settings. Under Basic Authentication, click to create a new API key. Give it a name, anything that helps you identify it later. Once it's created, copy both the API key and the secret that it generates for you. You'll need these in a moment. Now, jump over to Zoho Campaigns. Click on Access Zoho Campaigns. Click on Settings, then go to Integrations and choose Apps. Scroll to find MessageMedia and click Connect. Click Continue. In the connection screen, paste your API key into the API key field and your secret into the secret field. Then, click on Integrate to save. Your MessageMedia account is now connected to Zoho Campaigns. With everything now set up, you can start building and sending SMS campaigns straight from Zoho, using your existing MessageMedia account. Please reach out to Builders Excellence team if you need further assistance.